Thank you. Oh, I messed that one up, but yeah, pretty good. Alright, this one's called, well, I'm messing up these little names for these songs every time I come up here and play, but this one's called, I don't know, what do you think? This one's called Birds in the Wild. Vibrations marking me the territory. Birds are whistling wild and I am learning to embrace its calling. The sun shines today, begging the clouds to take its place. People still asleep and bathe in shade. As my pen bleeds the words I cannot speak, I'm taken by the sea. Touch with so many things. Horizons mark new beginnings. The moon's steadily gone. As my pen bleeds the words I wish to speak, I'm taken by the sea. Touch with so many things. Wow! Thank you.